Watch this 3-minute video to learn how to clean your gutters properly. Clogged gutters aren't just an eyesore. They're one of the most common reasons homeowners end up with water damage, foundation problems, and accelerated wear on their roof. Here's how to clean them properly and what to look for while you're up there. First, it's important to know why having clean gutters protects your roof. When gutters are clogged, water has nowhere to go. It backs up, sits at the roof line, and works its way under shingles and into the decking below. The debris you're scooping out also tells you something. Granules in the gutter are a sign your shingles are aging. The more you see, the more attention your roof deserves. At minimum, clean your gutters twice a year, once in spring after tree debris accumulates and once in late fall after leaves have dropped. If you have a lot of tree cover, add a third cleaning after major storms. Here's what to do before you start. First, gather your equipment: a sturdy ladder, work gloves, a gutter scoop or garden trowel, a bucket or tarp, and a hose with a spray nozzle. Set your ladder on level ground. Never lean it against the gutter itself. Gutters aren't designed to bear that kind of load and can pull away from the fascia. Now, here's each main step in the cleaning process. Start near a downspout and work away from it. Scoop debris into a bucket rather than dropping it on the ground below. Remove leaves, granules, seed pods, and any compacted material sitting at the bottom of the channel. Once the debris is cleared, flush the gutter with your hose from the high end toward the downspout. Water should flow freely and exit the downspout well away from your foundation. If it doesn't, you may have a blockage in the downspout itself. Use the hose to push it through from the top. While you're up there, take a few minutes to inspect the first few rows of shingles you can see. Look for granule loss, curling edges, cracking, or any shingles that look significantly different from their neighbors. These are signs your roof may benefit from a professional evaluation. Also check the fascia board behind the gutter for rot or moisture damage, a sign that gutters have been overflowing. Gutter cleaning keeps water moving away from your home. But if your shingles are showing age-related wear, the next step is addressing the shingles themselves. For qualifying asphalt shingle roofs, Roof Maxx treatment can restore flexibility and extend useful life before small problems become large ones. If your gutter cleaning turns up significant granule buildup or shingles that look like they're reaching the end of their life, get a Roof Maxx evaluation. Find a dealer near you at roofmaxx.com. Many homeowners who restore with Roof Maxx successfully extend the life of their existing shingles and put costly replacement off for years.